Hey everybody, it's Anthony from FJR1300 Adventures and welcome back. It's been a while since I've seen you, and today I've got a video focusing on the microphone on the K3 system from INNOVV to give you an idea on what it might sound like if you want to use the K3 system for moto-vlogging. So here we go, let's take a look and see what you think. So we're testing out the microphone in the vlogging position on the helmet. Going for a ride down to Miami and let's see how we go. Okay, heading out the driveway. Off we go. So I don't really have the microphone secure, it's just sort of hanging over the edge of the helmet right in front of my mouth. So I'll just need to monitor the audio when I get home, or check the audio when I get home, and just see if it's too loud, too soft, just to see whether it's just picking up the voice, whether it's getting any sort of additional noises as well. I have the headset turned on, but I don't have music playing, so I don't think it will pick up the sound from my helmet. But we'll wait and see. Just got to head down to the turnoff down here over the bridge, and then around the corner. This is a pain, this corner in the wet. As you can see from the angle, it's pretty tight. And we've had a lot of wet weather in the past week, so haven't been enjoying coming through here in the wet. I think I'm usually doing about 20 kilometers an hour. The bike's pretty much upright when I come around here when it's raining. So not a big fan of corners in the wet. Okay. So hopefully you can still hear me. We're increasing speed a little bit, pushing up towards 100 k's an hour. I'm just going to shut the visor and see if that makes any difference. Okay, we're up to 5th gear and about to head out onto the highway. About to merge into some traffic. Quick head check. And here we go, and we're stuck in some traffic. So, yeah, hopefully this sounds okay. So that's it, the microphone on the K3 system for motovlogging. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content. I promise it won't be so long until the next video comes out, and looking forward to seeing you out on the road. See ya.